Hey friends, who's hungry? Semi-sweet chocolate chips adds a decadent richness to this delicious traditional pecan pie recipe. In a medium mixing bowl, combine 1 1/4 cups of brown sugar, half a cup of light corn syrup, 3 lightly beaten eggs, 2 tablespoons of molasses, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and half a teaspoon of salt. Gently stir in half a cup of chocolate chips. Set aside about 1 1/4 cups of pecan halves for the top of the pie. Then finely chop the remaining pecan halves and add them to the rest of the ingredients. Pour the mixture into a prepared pie crust, then gently arrange the reserved pecan halves in a circle over the filling. Bake the pie at 350 degrees for 55 to 65 minutes, checking about halfway through until the center is no longer wobbly. Cool the pie completely before serving.